And here I'm going to show you guys a way to use a multimeter. In here I have a analog multimeter. If you see, it kinda look different from the digital multimeter. If you buy this, you will get this analog multimeter. And also the two cable, the black one and the red one. I'm going to tell you guys more on the next video. Here I'm going to show you guys the first way to use this analog multimeter. As you can see in here, this is the analog multimeter. There is ohm, AC, and DC on the analog multimeter. First of all, you need to plug the cable. There is the positive one, the red one, and the negative one, the black one. You need to plug the wire to the analog multimeter. As you can see on the multimeter, there is a positive one and the negative one. Positive one, you need to plug the red one to the positive one, like this. And then you plug the black one to the negative one. So now the wire are already connected to the multimeter. After we plug this one, the negative one and the positive one, here I'm going to show you how to use this multimeter to see the voltage in these batteries. There are two batteries. As you can see in here, it says it 1.5 volt. So when you want to use this, you need to change the DC in here to 10, because we need to use the number that is close to the voltage that was written in the batteries. Okay, so as you can see, this is the positive one and this is the negative one. So we need to use the red wire on the positive one in here and the black wire on the negative one. Can you see that the pointer was moving? Right? Okay. It means that this battery is still working very well. So when you see in here, can you see? Still works very well. That's how we use the multimeter to see the DC. The next one. So after seeing the voltage on the battery, now I'm going to show you the voltage on the stop contact. In here I have a stop contact. I'm going to see the voltage in the stop contact. Okay, first of all, you need to plug the wire from the multimeter to the stop contact. If you know, stop contact was an AC, so we need to change the AC to 1000. Why we choose 1000? Because if you see at your home, at your house, you will find in the meter there was a voltage written. In my house it was 230. This is the crucial part. You can turn off the stop contact first and then plug the wire from the multimeter to the stop contact. After you plug the wire, you can turn on the stop contact and see what happened on the multimeter. It was moving. The pointer was moving. It shows on the pointer that the stop contact was working very well. Okay, before you want to see a voltage in some things, you need to make sure how much the voltage was written. Like before, in the battery it was written 1.5 volt and battery was DC, so you need to change in the multimeter to DC and choose the number that is close to the voltage that is written on the things. On the battery it was written 1.5, so the nearest number is 10, so we choose 10. Some things as the stop contact, you can see the meter in your house. In my house it was written 230, so I choose the 1000 to make it safe. We need to choose the number that is bigger than the voltage that is written. So I choose AC 1000 because stop contact was an AC. You need to make sure these things because it was a very important things, so there will be no bad things happen. So that's all.